Zoo AI, revolutionizing animal health and education. Many zoos struggle to effectively monitor animal health and behavior, often missing crucial early warning signs. Simultaneously, visitor engagement can lack depth, missing opportunities for impactful learning. Zoos are invaluable hubs for education, research, and conservation. Addressing these challenges is paramount to their continued success. Imagine an AI-powered system that revolutionizes animal care and visitor interaction. This system uses sensors, cameras, and machine learning to track animal well-being and create personalized learning experiences. Benefits include real-time health monitoring, early illness detection, and engaging AI-driven tours. Our proposed tool, the Zoo AI Monitoring and Engagement System, is designed to do just that. It features real-time animal monitoring, predictive health analysis, and an interactive visitor system. A data dashboard provides zookeepers with actionable insights and care recommendations. The impact? Improved animal health, enhanced conservation efforts, and a richer educational experience. We've built a prototype using sensors and AI to monitor animal health, and an app with an AI chatbot and AR for visitor engagement. This has been piloted in a local zoo, monitoring animal data and predicting stress factors. Sensors and AI track animal behavior and health, while AI compares current and past data to forecast potential issues. Chatbots answer visitor questions, and AR brings animal stories to life. Zoo AI offers numerous advantages, including improved animal care through early detection and increased educational value for visitors. It also boosts operational efficiency and supports conservation.